Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Tonight is gonna be the first video after many months, maybe for about a year more. I haven't upload any video because the world was very dynamic. So yeah, there are many reasons, of course. So tonight I want to invite you to discuss about the ladder diagram. Again, we talk about the ladder diagram, of course, talk about the simple way of direct online uh, direct online program. And the past video, I mean, yeah, for about several months ago, maybe a year more ago, I have uploaded my video about the program about a simple direct online. So this is the other way to, and this is the section, the section of being simulation on other way. And of course it's the part of Omron PLC Omron. So let's check it up. Okay, for the first we can open our software first by double click on your designer, CX designer, and then after that we can use this one as the new project. And okay, project, and you can use the location that you will save your folder, I mean your project, where is the directory of this document or this file you will save. Okay, I'll choose on my PC, right, on directory new volume D, and then after that I will look for my folder first. Then after that I'll choose it for PLC and timer. Of course, I just want to make the new folder for, for making easy when I need it. What is it? Display, right? Display. Okay. Display. Okay. Incorrect path. Sorry. Okay, we choose it again. Display. The project DAW, direct online program. Okay. Okay. Yes. So the question is what we have to do with this section. Of course, we can look for first our program, our CX program. Okay, for someone, I mean for my audience that haven't watching my video before, so I suggest you to watch the video first, I mean the first video first, and then you will get connect with this video, right? So the first that we have to make is PB or push button as the input, of course, right? So like this, The first is stop, and then after that, this is start. Start is in that video. I choose uh, 0 and bit double zero. Of course, doesn't matter. You just use one bit, 10. Uh, double zero. Yes, it's okay. You just use the input CEO, input channel input output is okay. Then just use okay. So the action type is momentary, of course, momentary, because this is the character of push button, right? And before I continue, the label first. The label first is right. The label is for switch with state or status, when off or on. I mean, when off means the logic zero, and when the state on means logic one. So start, or yeah, start is okay. Start. And also I got it in the attribute. We just what is it, we just custom so the font or size or the color or just everything you just need. I just make it the simple way. You can custom by yourself with your taste, of course. Bold, center, right. Okay, I make it like this on state on state of Arial black with Arial black. Okay, with on Arial black, of course. Arial black. Which is Arial black? Okay, bold, center, number 10, the size 11, size n. Okay, so this is for start, and after that I use it for stop. Yeah, from stop. And I just make it justify. You can use like on Microsoft Word, where will you choose for adjustment like this. Where is the adjustment? I mean, margin top, margin bottom, margin left, margin right, like you do on your Microsoft Word. Where is view? No, no. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, and then after that I will make it for stop. I use stop, sorry, stop 0, of course, 0, but for start it means I make it as 1. The bit is 1. Okay, and the stop, I'll make it 0, channel 0 and bit 0. The label I change also for stop, and this one stop also. Stop. Uh, 1, okay, 0. And the last is PB bitlamp, right? Bitlamp is the output. I can make it with this shape, or I just change the shape by using the text, right? The text. Where are you? Where is the text? I'll make it the channel of this output is 100 for channel of word, and bit is 0 as a bit. And after that, what should I do? Okay, and I have to make it disappear, and I'll change the text only. Is it matter? Oh, no. I cannot do it. Okay, status. Okay, when switch label for address on off, all right? It means it will appear the text when off, when the condition on or logic 1 will appear the text. For example, on, all right, and when off, no text. Okay, I'll make it 10 and Arial black, bold center, right. Symbol, all right. Okay. Okay. So after that, we can use this. Sorry about this communication. So what should I do with this? PLC, PD, integrated simulation. You can choose it, and yes to all. And then after that, just look for the CX program file or project. You can browse from here, and then try it to find it. Where are you? Where are you? All right, script PLC, and then doll, of course, and make it. So this is only making the connection between CX program and six designer, and then start. So we can see what does it like. So okay, what does it like? We can make it disappear on this. Sorry. Okay, I'll make it the two tabs like this, two section like this. So I have to make it disappear. I mean the button section here, just clicking on your shortcut on your keyboard by press alternate with 0 2, right? So I'm sorry, first. Okay, let's make it stop first. I forgot. with the program. The start, of course, you uh, like ordinal installation, ordinal SCADA, ordinal digital input, or others like touch screen. The button, the color between start button and stop button, of course, the different color. So I forgot the label. We changed the label and then the color, right? The color for stop. Where is the switches? All right, PB rectangle, the color red for stop. Okay, so all right, and we can directly, because sorry, when you lie like this, you can just directly start open your CX programmer, and then click in this part on your menu bar, start PLC PD integrated simulation, right? Where are you? Okay, so I'll make it smaller by pressing on your shortcut, your keyboard, by clicking alternate with the arrow left or right on your keyboard. Okay, when I start, it must be on like this on your right side, and your left side, the program also, the condition or logic, the state is on or logic 1. When I stop it, the condition must be off. So when I start, you can see this one. You can see, yep, this is green color, means executed, means there is a signal. And when I hold off, right, this is on. Okay, and when I stop also, the condition stop. Okay, I change the condition of the stop, the state. I mean, this is on, I mean, the logic 1 of the stop, the stop button, right? So yeah, that's for tonight. I hope this video may be very useful for you, uh, to learn about how to connect between CX programmer and CX designer. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.